everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we have yet another book haul video. Are you guys shocked? Are you surprised? Are you absolutely thrown onto the floor with the original content? Probably not, because I film a lot of these videos. However, this one is with a little bit of a twist, which is my amazing friend Kelsey. You guys know her, you guys love her. She actually did my book haul for me. I also did hers. So this is a collaboration. I will leave her video in my description down below. And we essentially went on each other's wish lists, picked some books and sent them to each other. And I thought it was such a fun way to basically buy the books that you want to buy, but you don't really know what's coming. I mean, my Amazon wish list is absolutely ginormous. If you guys haven't ever seen it, it is in the description. Obviously don't feel obliged to buy anything, but by all means have a look and see what's on there, because I must have about 500 books at least on my wish list, which is a problem. I don't even know where all the money is going to come from to pay for those books, but I also don't know where I'm going to put all those books. Anyway, we basically decided to set a budget of around £50 and we have sent each other some books. I have two parcels here. I am so excited to dive into these. I have no idea what she's picked because, as I've said, my wish list is so long that even if you'd bought like 30 books off there, I would have absolutely no idea which books are missing off that wish list. It is a massive problem. So we are going to dive right in. I am so excited to see which book she picked me. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. Okay, so diving in, we have got... Oh, okay, this one. Do you know what? I've had this book on my wish list for a very long time, but it's not one that I've gravitated towards. I don't really know why that is. I think because I've never really heard of this author, but this was definitely one of those books that I saw maybe a quote on Instagram and I've added it to my wish list. So this is Matched with Her Athlete Boss by Brittany M. Mills, and this is a romantic comedy, and obviously it's a sports romance. I am just really excited about this one. So the back says, being matched isn't for the faint of heart, especially after the relationship train wreck I've been through. After a rough year both in relationships and her career, Kenzie Sullivan has sworn off dating and I just cannot read out loud, honestly, this is like my worst nightmare, and decided to take her self-employment... We're gonna get there in the end, guys. Right, let's try that again. After a rough year, both in relationships and her career, Kenzie Sullivan has sworn off dating and has decided to take the self-employment route. She never thought she would lead her... I'm gonna give up soon. She never thought... Why can I not read English today? She never thought it would lead her to landing Trey Hatch, her longtime crush, as a client. She tries to keep life separate, but Trey keeps warming his way through... It says worming. Why did I say warming? Worming his way through every wall she puts up, giving her a slither of hope that something could happen between them. Okay, this, do you know what? I give up. Read the back. Please just pause it, have a little read, let me know what you think. I clearly just cannot get my words out today. Anyway, Kelsey, I love you. Thank you so much for picking this one. I love a small book. This is literally 239 pages, so not overly long at all. And I just find books like this a really lovely like palette cleanser, or let's be real, if I haven't read a lot of books in a month, I tend to pick a few small ones just to like up my numbers. Makes me feel good about myself. So this is one of those books I would definitely pick up for a little mind cleanse. Anyway, we're going to move on because I've been filming for about 20,000 minutes. Half of that was trying to read the blurb, so we're going to move on. So I've just opened the box and I found all of the Amazon notes. It really annoys me they don't put them in the books. But this basically says, much you love for... So I'm assuming it says, so much love for you. Thank you so much. That's amazing. And I will keep those. So we love that. So diving into the box, I'm not going to look down. I am just going to stare you guys right in the eyes while I pick my next book. And it is okay. It is... I really wanted this book. I really wanted this book. Okay, so this is Girl Abroad by Elle Kennedy. Kelsey. Thank you so incredibly much. I have been really dying to read this book and I've had it on my wish list ever since I saw it was coming out. It was on my wish list and I am yet to buy it. So this one says, 1 year in London, is she ready to break all the rules? Am I going to try and read the back? Let's make it entertaining. Let's give it a try. When 19-year-old Abby Bly gets the opportunity to study abroad for a year in London, it's the perfect chance to finally slip out from under the thumb of her beloved but overbearing retired rock star father. Who is your father? anyway. She's ready to be free, to discover herself, but first off to meet the girl she's rooming with. That is until she arrives to her gorgeous new flat to discover those roommates are actually all boys. Charming, funny, insufferable, attractive boys and off limits, with a rule against fraternising between housemates after unwanted drama with the previous girl. Abby has never considered herself a rule breaker, but soon she's lying to her father about living. I was so close, guys. I really read most of that then. Right, where was I saying? But soon she's lying to her father about her living situation and falling for not one, but two men she can't have. Interesting. Her rugby player roommate and a broody musician with a girlfriend. Not to mention her research for school. Hang on. Not to mention her research for school has gotten her tangled in a deeply hidden scandal of a high nobility family surrounding her in secrets on all sides. If there's any hope of Abby finding love, answers, or a future in London, I've come to the conclusion I cannot read out loud because I'm not even looking at punctuation. I'm just like splurting words at you. Right. If there's any hope of Abby finding love, answers, or a future in London, she'll have to decide which rules and hearts might be worth breaking. We got there in the end. Do you know what? I am going to hold it up because I feel like you guys might want to just read it for yourselves rather than listen to me ramble on, because that was just atrocious. But I am so excited about this one. I actually really do love the cover of this. I think it's so beautiful. I'm not really one for people on covers, but I'm all for a cartoon cover. So that is Girl Abroad by Elle Kennedy. Thank you, Kelsey. I am obsessed. Obsessed. I can't wait to read that. So the next book we have, I'm going to try not to look at it. I'm going to let you guys see it first. I hope this is the right way around. Oh, okay. So this one is actually quite a recent addition to my wish list. I think I saw this one on Hailey Barber's YouTube channel for a reading vlog she did, and it sounded just really cute. And let's be real, the cover is absolutely phenomenal. I'm not going to read you the back because I just feel like, let's be honest, we've heard enough of me trying to read words today, so I'm just going to show you guys the back and you can pause and have a read. It does say on the back of this one, it's the perfect slow burn friends to lovers romance. So I am just really excited about this one. Do I know what this one is about? No. Although, okay, pregnancy trope, friends to lovers, slow burn. Obviously, I will share with you guys my thoughts and opinions on this book once I read it, and I think I might actually read this one in the kind of spring and summertime because I feel like it's kind of got that vibe. Or is it more autumnal? What would you guys say for this cover? Is it more a spring, summer, or is it an autumn? Let me know. But I'm really excited to read that one nonetheless, so thank you, Kelsey, for that one. Okay, next up we have... Oh, okay. I think there's 6 in here. I did not expect 6. Okay, so the next one we have is... I can see the author on the back. Shut up. Stop it now. Okay, so this is Have I Told You This Already by Lauren Graham. I love Lauren Graham. I think this one is going to be similar to her first book, which I absolutely devoured. I think I read it in like 4 hours or something like that, maybe not even 4 hours. I think I read it literally in an evening and I absolutely loved it. I love Lauren Graham so much, so reading her books I just find so enjoyable and I loved every second of it. So thank you so much, Kelsey. I'm not even shocked that you picked this one because you also love Gilmore Girls the same as me, so I'm really excited to read this one. I'll let you know what it's like. I just cannot wait. And again, it's really short. It is literally not even 200 pages, so I'm probably going to pick this one up soon because I just love Lauren Graham so much. So yeah, this is the back. If you guys want to have a little pause, feel free. Again, I think this one is going to be similar to the first, where it is sort of a autobiography kind of thing, so I'm just really looking forward to giving this one a go. And I love a bit of non-fiction, so really excited about that one. So the next one in the box we have is... Oh, okay, this is If the Shoe Fits. This one is by Julie Murphy and it's part of the A Meant to Be novel series. So this is like a 3-part series and they're all standalone books basically written by different authors and released together. So there's this one, I have the other 2 up there, By the Book and Kiss the Girl. Obviously Kiss the Girl is the Little Mermaid inspired, and then you have By the Book, which is Beauty and the Beast, and then you have If the Shoe Fits, which is obviously Cinderella. Can we take a moment to appreciate the absolute beauty of this front cover? I absolutely love this one. This one seems to be, from a quick scan of the back, a plus size woman who is essentially going to be Cinderella in this story. Puts on a special pair of shoes and they fit right away. I guess it's going to be a romance. I'm just very excited about this one. They're not awfully long books, as you guys can see. They're very thin. This one is literally under 300 pages, although I will say the font is very small. Why is the font so small? I feel like I'm partially blind, so I have to, I mean, I'm not partially blind, I just have bad eyesight and I should wear glasses, but I don't. So I kind of put myself into this situation, but I'm really excited to read this one. I'm going off on a tangent. I cannot wait to dive into this one, and I'm just really thankful to have the third book in the trilogy kind of set, because I like to have complete collections of stuff, and this is one of those books I've had on my list for a while, so thank you, Kelsey. Love you so much. And the last one we have in the box is, ooh, this is Maybe Meant to Be by K.L. Walther. So I do already have The Summer of Broken Rules and What Happens After Midnight, which are also by the same author. Have I read them? No, I have not, but I really wanted this one because it looked autumnal. And it just looked really, really cute. On the back of this one, it says, if Charlie and Sage are meant to be, why can't Sage stop kissing Charlie's brother? And why can't Charlie stop thinking about kissing the new boy at school? I'm really excited about this one. I, again, have had this on my wish list for a while. I loved the look of it. It just gave me autumnal, cozy, really fun vibes. And to be honest, I just wanted another book by this author to add to my collection of books by the same author. I just had to check that it was the same size as the other books in the sort of collection, and they are, so it's fine. But yeah, I'm so excited. I will hold this one up as well so you guys can have a read and let me know what you think about this in the description. But that is the sixth and final book for this video. I am so excited. I'm just so excited. So these are all of the books which Kelsey picked for me. So a quick rundown. We have Matched with Her Athlete Boss by Brittany M. Mills, Girl Abroad by Elle Kennedy. We also have Ready or Not by Cara Bastone, I think that's how you pronounce it. We then have Have I Told You This Already by Lauren Graham, absolute queen. We have If the Shoe Fits by Julie Murphy, and we have Maybe Meant to Be by K.L. Walther. What a fun, amazing bunch of books. I'm just absolutely obsessed with all of these and I cannot wait to read them. So Kelsey, thank you so incredibly much. I'm holding these really weirdly, but I am so excited. I'm so grateful for you and I absolutely love every single one. So those are all of the books which Kelsey picked for me in today's video. I'm absolutely just over the moon with all of them. I cannot wait to dive into all of these because all of them I have been wanting to read for such a long time. So yes, Kelsey, thank you so much. You did absolutely incredibly and I love you very much. I'm very excited to read all of these because they just all look amazing. And also, can we just say, don't they just all look so cute together? Like the pastel vibes, I'm just obsessed with it. If you guys want to see the books I picked out for Kelsey, I will leave her video in the description. Also, I would love to do a video where you guys pick my book haul for me. So if you guys want to be a part of that video, please go onto my wish list in the description and have a little look through, and then on this video leave me a comment with the book title and the author and I will purchase it for a video. I'm not asking you guys to purchase it for me, I will purchase it, but I'd love for you guys to kind of leave me a comment letting me know which books I should add to that list. So that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. And also if you fancy it, hit that little bell and notification as well and you will never miss a video. So that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.